Welcome to Fab-Rite Services Machining Division, where precision engineering meets advanced technology. Our CNC lathe delivers exceptional precision and accuracy, essential for producing high-quality machined components.
The CNC lathe allows us to create intricate and precise parts consistently, making it a vital tool in our machining operations.
With the CNC lathe, we can handle complex geometries and tight tolerances, ensuring that every part meets its exact specifications.
Equipped with a CNC mill, we can machine a wide variety of materials with precision and efficiency.
The CNC mill's versatility allows us to produce everything from simple components to complex assemblies, all with the highest level of accuracy.
Using advanced programming and cutting-edge technology, our CNC mill delivers precise and consistent results every time.
Our skilled machinists utilize our CNC mill and CNC lathe to provide top quality parts, meeting the diverse needs of our clients.
Every project is an opportunity to showcase our craftsmanship. We take pride in every part we produce.
Fab-Rite Services, your trusted partner for precision machining. Let's build the future together.